We're struggling across the globe. Every one of us has our own struggles. The Quran will help you, calm you down, it will soothe you, it gives you a lot of comfort and positivity. It reminds you, and in the Quran, Allah has done everything in a unique divine way. Allah starts the Quran with a certain verse. What is it? According to some scholars, Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Raheem is a verse of Surah Al-Fatiha, and according to others, it's not a verse of Surah Al-Fatiha, but you have to say it anyway before you start off reading Surah Al-Fatiha. So let's look at that. Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Raheem. I want to start reading Quran. What do? I say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek the protection in Allah from shaitan the accursed. Why do I do that? I do that because Allah says, فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. If you want to read the Quran, you need to seek the protection in Allah from shaitan the accursed. I want the benefit of it, I don't want shaitan to tamper. I want to be able to understand it, I don't want shaitan to tamper, and so on. So I sought the protection in Allah from shaitan the accursed, and then I say, Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Raheem. I'm starting in the name of Allah. What does Ar-Rahman Ar-Raheem mean? The merciful, the merciful. Two different types of mercy, right? The especially merciful and Subhanallah Rabbil Alameen. You can even say the most beneficent, the most merciful, the most merciful, the most merciful. Let me quickly tell you the difference between the two. Ar-Rahman and Ar-Raheem. Ar-Rahman is the all-encompassing mercy of Allah that includes the Muslim, the non-Muslim, and every other creature of Allah. Allah is so merciful that He is fully merciful. But Ar-Raheem is a special mercy that Allah has dedicated towards the believers. So Allah says, the especially merciful is Ar-Raheem. Especially merciful for the believers, and the mercy that encompasses everything is Ar-Rahman. So Allah says, you should say Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Raheem, in the name of Allah, the one who is the most merciful, the especially merciful to the believers too. Subhanallah. When I start off that way, two things are highlighted, or three. Number one is, I started in the name of Allah because it's His word anyway, and whatever you do that you are supposed to be, that is a matter of importance, you should say Bismillah. Kullu amrin dhi balin lam yubtada'u fihi bismillahi fahuwa aqta'. Anything important that you are starting without the name of Allah, you're chopping it off. You're not going to benefit the proper way. So when you're reading the Quran, you say Bismillah in the name of Allah. Then I'm saying the most merciful. If Allah wanted, He could have decided to have a different name or